It's start recording video. Because there is a red line, you can see. There is a red line and red line. Wait.
Can you what?
There's a red line.
I know.
And now it's recording video. Do you want to say something? Here's my friend. Now we are going to play ping pong. Ping pong. Sure. Table tennis, yeah, right. And the weather is nice. It's not that bad. Is it? What do you think about the weather?
Pardon?
Pardon.
Weather is fine.
Okay.
I understand. But next I don't know.
天好热.
天好热,
Yeah. This area is our university. We just came from our dormitories and we are heading towards the ping pong place. I don't know where is it. It's near 2000 maybe. Yeah.
2000.
什么? If wait. I mean it was 一千两千.
2000.
Sure. 两千.
2000 元.
Sure. It's expensive. The other one cost me 4千.
4000.
Sure.
Which one?
The other one.
The other one.
Yeah.
You have two camera.
Yeah. But I like this one better.
You like something better?
I mean I like this one.
Which one?
Yeah, it's better.
Why? It's cheaper than
Because
the other one.
it's tiny. It's small.
It's small.
And
Next one is bigger.
yeah, a little bit bigger, but
It's convenient.
but I can put this camera to my pocket, and I can swim with this.
He can become more small.
No. Yeah, this. 小弟弟我的 camera. 你好.
Hello.
你好吗?
I'm fine.
He can speak English. My friend can speak English. He speaks very well English.
What?
I mean, he speaks very well English.
Very English.
Yeah. 你会说好英文吗？英文 yeah.
I can speak a little English.
I mean, I think you're speaking better than me.
Huh?
You're speaking better English than me.
Speak
Better?
what English than you? What?
Do you want to eat something?
Yeah.
What? Maybe I think they have. No. Do they have dumplings?
Only?
Jiwazi? No, they don't have.
Maybe there's no
No dumplings.
not have dumpling.
No dumplings. I can try this one. I really like this one. Salad. I really like the salad. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I can take some salad.
You can buy it.
Some Chinese boy who is eating dumplings.
A handsome and a strong boy.
Right. You can show your biceps. Oh, can you see that? And this is mantu. It is Chinese bread. I'm not sure about the taste, but it's okay.
Potato.
Potato. I don't know in Chinese. Mantu.
Udon.
Qilu. 투어. 아, 네.
Water.
투어더. 푸도.
Water.
투어더. 투어더.
Water.
투어더.
Yeah.
What is this? This is noodles.
No, not noodles. It's 粉丝
French.
粉粉
And we have salad here, salad, onion, and other things. Okay, time to go to